What if I told you that attraction doesn't suddenly appear out of nowhere? It quietly builds in moments you don't even notice. And what if, in just a few minutes, you could shift how a female friend sees you, without making things awkward, without crossing the line, and without risking the friendship? Most men think attraction is about bold moves or risky confessions. But in reality, it's about subtle psychological triggers that create emotional tension and curiosity. If you understand these, you don't need to try so hard, because the shift happens naturally. Now here's the truth most people won't tell you. You don't turn someone on in a direct or physical sense in 3 minutes. What you can do is spark emotional intrigue, create a different vibe, and plant the seed of attraction. And that's where everything begins. First, you need to change your energy. If she sees you as just a friend, it's usually because your behavior has been predictable, safe, and maybe even a little too available. To shift this, you don't need to become a different person. You just need to introduce a slightly more confident, playful version of yourself. When you speak, slow down a little. Hold eye contact just a second longer than usual. Smile, but not constantly. These small changes create a subtle tension that feels different from your usual dynamic. Next comes playful teasing. This is one of the fastest ways to change the emotional tone of an interaction. But here's the key. It must be light, respectful, and fun. Instead of complimenting her in the usual way, challenge her a little. For example, if she says something funny, you might respond with a smile. "You're trouble, you know that?" This kind of teasing creates a push and pull dynamic. It signals that you're not just trying to impress her, you're engaging her. And psychologically, that's far more attractive. Then you introduce curiosity. Instead of asking boring, predictable questions, ask something that makes her think or feel. Questions like, "What's something about you people completely misunderstand?" Or "What's one thing you've always wanted to do but never told anyone?" These questions shift the conversation from surface level to emotionally engaging. And when a woman feels emotionally engaged, she starts to see you differently. Another powerful element is subtle compliments, but not the obvious kind. Avoid generic lines like, "You're beautiful." Instead, notice something unique about her personality or behavior. Say something like, "I like how you think about things, it's different." This kind of compliment hits deeper because it shows you're paying attention, not just trying to flatter her. Now let's talk about presence. One of the biggest mistakes men make is trying too hard to fill every silence. But silence, when used correctly, is powerful. After you say something meaningful or slightly teasing, pause. Let the moment breathe. This creates a kind of emotional tension that can feel surprisingly intense. It's in these small pauses that attraction often grows. Body language also plays a huge role. You don't need to invade her space or do anything uncomfortable. Just be more grounded. Stand or sit confidently. Face her fully when she's speaking. Mirror her energy slightly. These signals communicate interest without saying a word. And often, what you don't say has more impact than what you do. Another key factor is unpredictability. If you've always been the nice, predictable friend, doing something slightly unexpected can create a strong shift. This doesn't mean being rude or acting out of character. It simply means breaking the pattern. For example, instead of always agreeing with her, playfully disagree sometimes. Instead of always being available, show that you have your own life and priorities. This creates a sense of mystery, and mystery fuels attraction. It's also important to understand emotional contrast. If your interactions have always been neutral or friendly, introducing a bit of playful tension can feel exciting. It's the difference between a flat line and a wave. Attraction often lives in that wave, the ups and downs of emotion, the moments of connection followed by a hint of distance. But here's something you must never ignore: respect and awareness. If she seems uncomfortable, uninterested, or distant, you need to recognize that and step back. Attraction cannot be forced. These techniques are about creating possibility, not pressure. The moment it feels one-sided or uncomfortable, the dynamic should return to normal friendship. Finally, confidence is the foundation of everything. Not loud, aggressive confidence, but calm, grounded self-assurance. The kind that says, "I'm okay whether this changes or not." Ironically, this is what makes the biggest difference. When you're not desperate for a specific outcome, you naturally become more of. So, can you completely change how a female friend sees you in just 3 minutes? Maybe not fully, But you can absolutely spark a shift, a moment where she pauses and sees you in a new light. And sometimes, that's all it takes for everything else to follow. Because attraction isn't built in grand gestures. It's built in small moments, subtle signals, and emotional connections that feel different from anything before. And once that shift happens, the dynamic is never quite the same again.